The Mamelodi Sundowns coaches seem to be working very well together. This picture was taken on Cardoso's first match play with Raja Casablanca after he was appointed as the new head coach of Sundowns after Manqoba Mnqethe. The new Mamelodi Sundowns coach Cardoso helped the team to register their first 3 point of the season when they beat Raja Casablanca 1-0 at Loftus Stadium on Sunday afternoon to put their destiny in their own hand. After drawing their first 2 games, the Brazilians needed a strong response at home to keep their hopes for qualifying for the quarterfinals alive. But with the coach changes taking place just before that crucial game, supporters didn't know what to expect. But since winning was neither a choice or expectation, but rather an obligation, the Brazilians got results that they needed. Fans have different opinions based on the picture. MK Petra said that he's happy because he knows he's the next coach after 6 months. And Life Lesson said that Cardoso looks so uncomfortably. Compella is trying way too much. Wonder what you have to say about this. Please place your views in the comment section. I will see you on the next video.